Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Capricorn. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Today we'll be picking one card for your moon energies, guys. This is the card. I will leave it here. And one card for your love guidance. I will leave this card here. And one fortune cookie for y'all today. So we will see what it is as we proceed into the reading, guys, Capricorn. So let's start with these cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start with these cards here. Capricorn, cross, dog, and a rider. So with these cards in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you have faced a lot of trials, you have gone through a lot, sacrificed a lot, maybe, and you feel really stressed the way things are going for you. You feel that you have done enough, you have had enough. You don't want to do this anymore, you don't want to repeat this anymore in your life. Maybe for some of you, you are finding comfort in taking up some spiritual practices, maybe meditation or chanting. You have a few beliefs and you find comfort in that. You are feeling happy that you are doing it today. But you need not worry, guys, because if you are thinking of this relationship, maybe about this person, you can be confident that about this love, you need not feel sad or worried because this person is a very loyal soul. So they love you, they are really honest with you. You need not worry because you have a huge past, and based on those experiences, you are worried, anxious about this relationship, about this connection. You don't know the truth about this person, but they are someone they can be trusted, they are loyal to you, and they love you. And today, you are getting a good news today, guys. Maybe you can expect a good news from this person, or good news in your work, or maybe some good news for both of you if you are already in a committed relationship. Maybe a child or marriage, or it may be an announcement coming your way. So it is something big. Maybe this person is thinking of marriage or commitment, or maybe thinking of a family, starting a family with you, planning to have a child with you. So, something which you really dreamt of is happening today. Some positive news, something that is going to change your attitude, maybe change your sadness, making you forget all your worries today, guys, Capricorn. So, for your relationship, we picked one card. It's choices. So maybe you have a choice today in the circumstance. Maybe you want marriage or not. It depends on your heart, whether you love this person, whether you trust them, guys. Because there is nothing right or wrong with this card, with this choices card. It just means that you have to be honest to yourself, truthful to yourself. So deep down, you know whether you love this person, whether you want this love, you want this relationship. So, for your career situation, we picked one card and it says mice. So, there are people against you or working against you, guys. In your work situation, they are trying to use your skills and talents to benefit themselves. So, you need to be really careful with this person. So, if you know who it is, you must stay away from them, guys. Stay away. That is going to, what to say, avoid a lot of difficulties in your work circumstances. So, for your moon energies, today we picked one card. A new romantic cycle begins, new moon in Libra. So, with this card, if you are single and if you are interested in a new connection, there is someone good coming your way today, guys. Or if you are already in a connection, this may be the time for clear communication. So, if your relationship is going through a tough time, guys, this may be the time for you to compromise, maybe trying to understand each other. Give and take, that is what this card is about. So you must be willing to tell this person, relate to them openly, and address to the issues, whatever problems you have in this relationship, and do not be selfish. That is not going to take you anywhere, guys. So you need to really try to find an understanding, try to find that balance, and think with your heart, not with your head today. And maybe if you are involved in some legal matters, things will resolve for your benefit. And you need to pay attention to yourself and attention to others. Appearances, maybe appearances are deceiving, guys, Capricorn. You should not forget that today. So for your love guidance, we have this card, respect. So with this card, it just means that you need to remember that each and every one of us have our own struggles, have our own obstacles to face. And we are choosing things or making the path for our life based on those experiences. And it is not our job to judge others, but we must love and encourage them. By showing respect, we earn respect, guys. So, when we try to be really, caring and willing to help others, we will become more stronger emotionally, and we will be a responsible person, setting an example for others. And by respecting others means considering each and every one of others as equal to our own self, as our fellow soul travelers, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So for your fortune cookie for the day, Capricorn, personal riches, small successes are likely now, bigger ones are on the way. Finances could improve dramatically, but avoid get rich schemes. So that is the energy, guys, with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.